I'm Matt Hines. I'm the Inventory and Production Manager here at Ortho Development in Draper, Utah. We manufacture, design, produce, and distribute medical implants for hips, knees, and things of that nature. We have two facilities, one about a mile down the road. The one I'm in currently is 20,000 square feet, and our other facility is roughly about 21,000 square feet. We're growing at 24% plus pretty much yearly. Initially, when we were in our other building, we needed to decide how we were going to sustain that growth and stay in the same footprint we had. So what we came up with is that instead of expanding horizontally, we were going to go vertical. So we ordered all new racks. We took everything out and we took racks that went to the ceiling. So we went 22 feet high. In order to be able to access that material, we needed to get pickers or lifts that would be able to access that, because ladders were not practical, not feasible, they weren't safe. For people going up and down, having to pick anywhere from 10 to 20 pieces, walking up and down a ladder with a box just wasn't practical on a regular basis. Our first solution for a picker, what we found that was close to what we needed, was the JLG. They worked fine for a while, but they had certain issues and problems that we found inherent with these over time. Cost of batteries, things of that nature. There's a lot. The maintenance as you go down, was quite a bit and was costing a good chunk of money. When we expanded into this facility December 2018, contacted our distributor Hoy to inquire about the JLGs, which, since we purchased those from them before, they brought up the idea of Big Joe. They sent me some literature, a few pictures of it so I could see what they were all about. I had to bring out a demo. I had the demo dropped off, and by the end of that day, I knew that was what I want. Price range and everything was very competitive, if not better than what I was paying for the JLGs, the ease of use. So instead of going with the JLG, we bought two Big Joes right then and got them on order, had a PO within 24 hours to buy those in. A month after we got in here, we ordered a third one. The Joeys work well with our setup because as we came over here, our racks, they go to 22 feet. We use every square inch going to the top. Our aisles are 42 inches apart. So I want to be able to take a lift and go up and down the aisle and be able to pick from either side without having to adjust the lift. So we have a tight aisleway, and I have on the north end of my aisles, I have a tight radius, and the Joey will have pretty much a zero turn radius, so I can go in and out of aisles very easily. It's smooth when you drive it. It does not herky-jerky. It's smooth going up and down, and it's quiet, and it worked great for us. The battery life on these lasts a heck of a lot longer. The gauging on the display that tells us our true battery life is much more accurate. I do not get errors with the Big Joe from ground faults or issues with it airing out when I'm going up or down. We currently have 3 of the Joey J192s because they will go to the maximum height. My racks, my shelving that I use goes all the way up to 22 feet is where I will pick from and I will store inventory. These will accommodate it all the way up to the very top. They're smooth when I drive them up that level. They don't waver at that height. It's a very sturdy machine, solid. It's as solid as if you were driving at ground level with them. We have various different product offerings in the knee and the hip, depending on the surgical preference of the doctor, the style of implant that they prefer. We have several offerings that we deal with this, and we will ship anywhere from 1 to 2 piece orders on a regular basis or pallet of product. And everything is stocked on these shelves, and we pick, and we use those pickers for every single thing we ship out this building. I've got several thousand SKUs sitting on those shelves right here, and they're all stocked and picked and pulled with my Big Joes. Weight-wise, they will handle a significant amount of weight if need be. I've had as much as 300 pounds on the deck. I don't usually do a whole lot of weight. Most of my stuff is lighter, but I can put 300 pounds on the deck on this, no problem, take it up and down when my guys are doing stocking, if they're doing some of the heavier stuff such as instruments. The operators love the Joey. If they had to choose between the two, they would always jump on the Joey. I will buy a Joey any chance I get, anytime I need it. Big Joe will be the one I will go get. In our future, I anticipate we are going to lead at least 2 to 3 more in the next year to 2 years, whether it be new machines or to replace out pre-existing old JLG equipment.